know who you lot are or what you are up to, snapped Martha. But if our children put you up to this, they'll be in trouble. Shoo! She shut the door in their faces. So whatever the children tried to convince Martha that they were the same children, but Martha was not at all ready to believe them. And so she just refused to believe them and she shut the door in their faces. The children banged at the door and rang the bell, but it was no good. They wandered away down the lane, hungry, thirsty, and stunningly beautiful. Finally, tired and with nowhere to go, they sat down under a hedge. So the children, they kept banging the door and ringing the bell, but Martha did not open the door because she was not able to recognize them. She thought that they were some different children who had come with the baby. And she also thought that her children were in trouble. So these children, though they were the same children, they looked so beautiful, but they had to wander away down the lane, and they were also feeling very hungry and thirsty. Will when they were very tired and they had nowhere to go, they sat down under a hedge. It will wear off at sunset, said Jane. So this was decided that the impact of the wish would disappear at sunset. That means after the sun sets in the evening, then we'll look normal again. So it was very clear. They all were knowing that after the sunset they would look normal, and then only they could go home. So they had to wait for sunset. Then huddled together for comfort, they fell asleep. So waiting for sunset, they all fell asleep. When Anthea awoke, the sun had set. "It's all right," she cried. "We are ordinary again." Now see children, these are all contractions. Underline them, they are very important. So while waiting for sunset, they all fell asleep, and when Anthea awoke, the sun had already set, and they all were looking ordinary, same as before, and they were all able to recognize each other. "Where did you think you have been?" demanded Martha when they had got home. So when they reached home, Martha said, "Where you all have been?" She could not come to know that they were the only children who had come before. "We had some very strange children here this afternoon." So they lied. They did not speak the truth. They said that we met some strange children this afternoon. "They were horrible," said Anthea. "They stopped us from coming home. Until now, we only just got away and we are starving." So they said that only those children whom we met, those strange children, they stopped us from coming home, and so we could not reach home, and now, right now we are very hungry. Starving means very hungry and we need food. See, underline all these, all the contractions. "Well, don't you go near them again," said Martha, as cook brought in a supper that looked and smelled delicious. So Martha warned them not to go to those children again, and cook brought delicious food for them as they were feeling very hungry. "We'll take good care to never see them again," said Robert. Robert assured Martha that they would never meet those children, and they never have, and they never met those children again. Okay, because they did not meet the Samyad again. And this, underline this, this is an extract from 5 Children and It by Edith Nesbit. Hope you have understood the stories. Children, read the lesson right from the beginning and mark all the difficult words, because after teaching the lesson I am going to take a dictation of the lesson. Online dictation will be taken and marks will also be given to you. So keep yourself ready.